Tweetie, the little bird who wouldn't go to sleep. Once upon a branch, high in a tall, wobbly tree, lived a tiny, feathery, endlessly chatty bird named Tweetie. Tweetie was the tiniest bird in the tree, but definitely the loudest. At sunrise, he sang. At lunchtime, he chirped. And at bedtime, oh dear, Tweetie had no plans to stop. While the other birds yawned and tucked their heads under their wings, Tweetie bounced from branch to branch shouting, "Is it morning yet? Is it? Is it? I'm not sleepy. Do worms dream? Hello, night sky." All the other animals groaned. Olive the owl muttered, "This chick has more energy than a squirrel on sugar." Sammy the squirrel squeaked, "Hey, I heard that." Mama bird fluffed her feathers. "Tweetie dear, you need rest to grow strong and fly fast." "But I'm already strong," Tweetie said, showing off his scrawny little wing. It wobbled like a spaghetti noodle. So Mama tried a bedtime story. She told him about a bird who flew all the way to the moon. Tweetie gasped. "Did he pack snacks?" "Nope," said Mama. "Then he didn't think it through," Tweetie shouted, laughing at himself. Then she sang a lullaby. Tweetie sang along an opera. Then she dimmed the firefly nightlight. Tweetie turned it back on. Finally, Mama sighed. "Okay, if you can stay awake without yawning even once, you win. If you yawn, it's bedtime." Tweetie puffed up his chest. "Easy peasy, Tweetsie." So he sat and tried very hard not to think about how fluffy the nest felt, or how warm Mama's wing was, or how the stars looked like sparkly birdseed. Then suddenly, yawn! It was the biggest, loudest, silliest yawn in all the treetop. Mama smiled. "Looks like I win." Tweetie mumbled, "Fine, but tomorrow I'm flying to the moon with snacks." And with that, he curled into a feather ball, tucked his beak under his wing, and snored like a squeaky toy.